The Tesla VIN number, it gives us a lot of information. To find it, you can check the outside of your front windshield, and you can also find it in the mobile app, the Tesla app, at the bottom. This gives us 17 characters and numbers, but what do they mean? The first three show the country code. Here they are, and for example, 7SA is the US after the year 2021. For earlier Fremont builds, you'll see the code 5YJ. There's one for Shanghai and Berlin as well. The fourth spot, it shows the Tesla model. For mine, it's Y. And with Elon humor, the cars spell SEXY, and they use a 3 instead of an E. Fun fact, the Model E sounded too close to the Ford Model T. So we have either S, 3, X, or Y. You might also see an R for the Tesla Roadster. Getting to the next four characters, they cover specific vehicle configuration, and there are too many combinations here to cover. Moving along to digit 9 for Tesla VIN. Digit 9 of Tesla VIN is a check digit. This is just required in North America. It's to verify VIN's accuracy, and I'm not going to dive into the logic on that. Digit 10 and 11 show the year and exact Tesla factory. For example, mine is P for the year 2023 and F for the Fremont factory. So here are the year codes and the factory codes to be aware of. For example, A for Giga Texas in Austin. Now the rest of the Tesla VIN, it shows how many of that car were built in a specific sequence. It starts with a lot of zeros and a 1 for each model, year, and plant combination, and it increments per vehicle built. There you have it. If this quick guide was useful, please tap that like button and subscribe. I put together a lot of useful Tesla videos that try to get straight to the point with the useful information. So I hope to see you again soon.